Hey, it's Latoya Watts, also known as LT, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what Club Cash Fund has to offer versus 30-day success formula. Okay, so with Club Cash Fund, you get an entire system. All right, you get your own personal website, and digital products is included. All right, you also get traffic training right inside of your back office, and the owner of the company mails out the free starter kits at no cost to you. All right, there is a one-time only license fee of $100. No monthly fees with Club Cash Fund. So that's very exciting. All right, now 30-day success formula on the other hand, they also have digital products. All right, the company does mailings on your behalf, but you have the option to join at different levels, levels 1 through 5. All right, so with those different levels, you get digital marketing training, okay? And they're compounded into modules that will be emailed to you, okay? But you have to buy postage. You have to pay printing costs because the company only upfronts your first 200 mailings, okay? Inside of their 6-page letter for 30-day success formula, it lets you know that you're going to have to at least mail out 2,500 mailings before you can see a return on your investment. With Club Cash Fund, that's not the case. They pay out weekly and they have an entire done for you system, okay? So once you make your one-time $100 payment, you can even expedite your payment to get started. You have instant access to your back office. You have instant access to your training. All right. And in addition, your website is put on a company rotator. All right. When you join with my team, you also have access to a co-op rotator. Okay. You also have access to our Club Cash Fund Superstars private Facebook group that I'm truly excited about, where you can receive additional training, tips, and support. And you also have access to our messenger that is always live, and we're there to support you 100% of the way. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this Club Cash Fund versus 30-day success formula. And if you're in 30-day success formula already and business has been kind of slow, because once you make an investment, of course, you'll have to continue to invest. All right. 30-day success formula, you have to reorder mail packages for your mailings after the company upfronts your 200, or you can mail yourself your mailings, but that's going to cost you. Printing out the sales letter, going to the post office to mail the sales letter on top of buying your stamps. All right. All of that is going to cost you. So be mindful when you're making a decision about joining 30-day success formula. Also, with Club Cash Fund, it's already done for you. A complete done for you system. I can't stress that enough, because not even a week's in, I've already had an email for my first payment. So it does work, okay? Both programs work. You just have to stay consistent with the both. But if you're on a budget looking to get into a direct mail program, okay, that doesn't have any monthly fees, that's not going to be overwhelming for you to make money from home, then I highly suggest you take a look at Club Cash Fund. All right, so click on the link in below in the description of this video to request your free starter kit. Alright, that free starter kit is going to be sent out, no shipping charging cost to you, and it's going to come directly in the mail to you. Alright, that way you can read all of the details about Club Cash Fund and you can see what this program has to offer. I look forward to seeing you on my team. I look forward to you receiving your starter kits. So go ahead and request it right now. Talk to you soon.